I should warn you that I am fairly strong.
Stronger than me?
Stronger even than Ara the Guillotine.
The way that girl moved reminded me of a mage I faced before. The same mage who first struck me with that magic.
I'm a great demon who has lived for over 500 years.
Ara, the one standing before you, is a great mage who's lived for over 1,000.
I remember now. It was Frieren. Frieren the Slayer.
Ara, kill yourself. You're the one who opted to gamble with my soul, Ara. I'm grateful for your overconfidence when it comes to the night. Now I can finally defeat you. You really should have figured it out. I've been suppressing you long. A grave miscalculation on your part.